I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing blueberry muffins. Flour, 410 grams. Caster sugar, 120 grams. The zest of 2 lemons, 1½ tablespoons of baking powder. 3 eggs. Milk, 335 mils. Melted butter, 150 grams. Vanilla extract, tablespoon. Mix dry with wet. Add blueberries, 2 handfuls. Fill 3/4 of the way up. Blend more blueberries. Remove seeds and skin from blueberries, leaving the perfect coulis. Add a tablespoon of blueberries and swirl. Bake for 22 minutes at 200. Then enjoy.